The psychology of money. Welcome to today's deep dive into a topic that impacts every aspect of our lives, the psychology of money. Ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle, despite their best efforts? In just 20 minutes, we'll explore the fascinating intersection of psychology and finance, uncovering how your mindset, emotions, and behaviors influence your financial success. Get ready to transform your relationship with money and unlock new pathways to wealth and well-being. Money isn't just a tool for transactions, it's deeply intertwined with our emotions, beliefs, and behaviors. Understanding the psychology of money can help you harness its power more effectively and achieve true financial wellness. Today, we'll cover key concepts that reveal how your mindset shapes your financial reality and provide actionable tips to enhance your self-improvement journey in wealth management. 1. The role of beliefs and mindset. Our beliefs about money can significantly impact our financial outcomes. These beliefs are often shaped by early experiences, cultural influences, and societal norms. Here's how they play a crucial role. Money scripts. These are the unconscious beliefs and attitudes we have about money, which can either empower or limit us. For example, a person who believes that money is the root of all evil may subconsciously sabotage their financial success. Identifying and challenging these scripts is essential for money empowerment. A growth versus fixed mindset. A growth mindset embraces learning and resilience, which can lead to better financial decisions and opportunities. In contrast, a fixed mindset may lead to stagnation and missed chances for self-improvement. Adopting a growth mindset can transform your approach to earning and managing money. 2. Emotional spending and money management. Emotions often drive our financial decisions more than logic. Understanding this can help you make more deliberate choices. Emotional triggers, stress, anxiety, and even joy can influence spending habits. Emotional spending is a common issue where individuals make purchases to cope with feelings or enhance their mood. Recognizing these triggers can help you develop healthier spending habits and achieve better financial self-wellness. The impact of instant gratification. The desire for immediate rewards can lead to impulsive purchases and financial strain. Delayed gratification, on the other hand, involves making choices that prioritize long-term financial health over short-term pleasure. Practicing delayed gratification can significantly improve your financial stability. 3. Behavioral biases in financial decisions. Our decisions are often influenced by various cognitive biases, which can impact our financial behavior. Confirmation bias. This is the tendency to favor information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs. In finance, this could mean sticking to investments or financial strategies that align with our past successes, even when they may not be the best options. Anchoring. This bias involves relying heavily on the first piece of information encountered when making decisions. For example, if you anchor on a high initial price, you might perceive a discount as a better deal, even if it's not a true bargain. Overconfidence bias. Many people overestimate their financial knowledge or ability to predict market trends. This can lead to risky investments and poor financial planning. Being aware of this bias can help you make more balanced and informed decisions. 4. The influence of social comparisons. We often compare our financial situation to others, which can impact our satisfaction and decisions. Keeping up with the Joneses. The desire to match the financial status of peers can lead to unnecessary spending and debt. Focusing on your own financial goals and values rather than external comparisons can enhance your self-wellness and financial stability. Social media and wealth perception. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook can create unrealistic expectations about wealth and success. Understanding that social media often presents an edited version of reality can help you avoid falling into the trap of financial envy and keep your focus on genuine self-improvement. 5. Strategies for financial well-being. Now that we've explored the psychology behind money, let's look at practical strategies to improve your financial health. Set clear financial goals. Define what financial success means to you, whether it's achieving a certain savings target, investing for retirement, or eliminating debt. Clear goals provide direction and motivation, helping you stay on track. Create a budget. A well-structured budget can help you manage your expenses, save more, and make informed financial decisions. Use budgeting tools or apps to track your income and spending, and adjust your budget as needed. Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, pause and consider whether it aligns with your values and long-term goals. Mindful spending helps prevent impulsive purchases and encourages more deliberate financial choices. Invest in financial education. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance and investment strategies. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and achieve financial empowerment. Understanding the psychology of money is a powerful step toward financial wellness and success. If you're ready to transform your financial mindset and take control of your wealth, start by applying these insights today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal finance and self-improvement. Hit the like button if you found this video valuable, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.